In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a note to your PDF on your Mac computer. So as you can see, I have a PDF file on my desktop in here, and I can select it like this. And on my keyboard, I'm going to press the spacebar to open the quick view of the file. Right, and as you can see, I have some options in here. I can click on the markup tool at the top. So again, it is this little markup icon with the pencil in a circle, and in here I can click on the drawing tools, and I can just add stuff in here and make some changes, like I can add a text and so on, right? So that's like the way you can approach this and add some quick note in this way. However, if you want to be a little bit more precise with it and get actual note into the PDF, make sure to click on the button in the top right corner which says Open with Preview. And when you click on it like this, it opens the same PDF in this expanded mode, and then now you get to work with it a little bit differently. You can, for example, highlight some text, right click on it, and you will have the ability to add a note to it. So as you can see, when you highlight the text, you can click on the button at the top like this. It is now highlighted, and you can see that I can right click on it and add a note. So this is how the note is going to show up. So I can click on it or type in whatever I want. It's just going to be the example text right in here. Right, so that's how you can add it. And then now the PDF contains a little square right in here, which, as you can see, you can expand, and there is the note added in here. So again, you can select some area in the text, highlight it, and then right click on it and then click on add a note. And that's how it works. That's how you can add the notes to some specific area of your PDF. Let me know if you managed to do it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if it worked, and I'll see you later.